Ever wondered if investing is solely a Wall Street big shot game? Think again. Success and wealth growth are within your reach too. Picture this. Investing in a growth index fund like Invesco QQQ could help you outpace the S&P 500 index in the long run. Had you invested $1,000 in the S&P 500 a decade ago, you'd be looking at a gain of 221%, pushing your investment to roughly $3,217 today, or around $3,500 with reinvested dividends. On the other hand, $1,000 in QQQ would have grown 322%, totaling $4,222 today. Now consider TECL, a 3x leverage tech ETF. A $1,000 investment here could have ballooned about 30 times, reaching a staggering $31,000 today. Remember, TECL can see large price fluctuations in the short term, but can be held over extended periods or traded between major price swings. As always, consult with a financial advisor to determine the best investment strategy for you. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Stay savvy, stay smart.